John Robinson Limit Gokongwei Jr., the 11th of August 1926 to 9 November 2019, was a Filipino banker, businessman, investor, and philanthropist. His conglomerate company JG Summit Holdings, Inc., had an extensive panoply of business and investment holdings across the Filipino economy. Including shipping, telecommunications, retail, financial services, petrochemicals, real estate, utilities, aviation, food, beverages, and livestock farming. Gokongwei was born in the island city of Xiamen, China, to John Gokongwei Sr. and Juanita Marquez Limit, both pure ethnic Chinese. His father was a scion of a wealthy Cebu-based family with ancestral ties to China's Milanese Fujian province, around the urban center Xiamen. Gokongwei attended the Basic Education Department of University of San Carlos USC for primary school, graduating valedictorian, and high school under a scholarship. The family fortune, including their home and Gokongwei's private Chinese lessons and violin rehearsals, was lost after the passing of his father to typhoid in 1939. Gokongwei was 13 years old when World War II 1939 to 1945 just broke out. During these difficult years, he had to make ends meet by initially supporting his family by peddling items along the streets of Cebu from his bicycle. From the years 1943 to 1945, or between the ages of 17 and 19, he became a merchant trader using a wooden boat, taking his goods to Dalacan, Lucena by sea, and then to Manila by truck. Gokongwei did not attend college, but was always passionate about reading. He later took a special dispensation to attend De La Salle University DLSU to obtain an MBA needed for business. In 1977, Gokongwei earned his Master of Business Administration from DLSU at the age of 51 without fear of learning late, even after his financial success. A decade later, he attended a 14-week advanced management program at Harvard to meet important businessmen and people. Gokongwei later received an honorary doctorate from USC. Gokongwei married Elizabeth Yu in 1958 and had 6 children, 1 son and 5 daughters, Rabina, then Lance, Hope, Lisa, Faith, and Marcia. All his children play an active role in the Gokongwei group. His eldest daughter, Rabina, heads the operations of Robinson's Retail, currently as a chairman after serving as the president and Then, as CEO of the company from 1997 until 2024, his only son, Lance, currently leads the group as president and CEO of JG Summit. He was a second cousin once removed of Andrew Goshennon Sr., the founder of Philinvest Development Corporation. Gokongwei's great-grandfather was a half-brother of Goshenon's grandfather. He is also second cousins with the Gassano family, with Dona Modesta Singson Gassano being his grandaunt or grandfather's sister under his great-grandfather, Don Pedro Singson Godiaco. In addition, he was a first cousin once removed of Nicky Costing. His mother was the half-sister of Costing's maternal grandfather. Final years and legacy. Gokongwei retired in 2016 to pass on the baton of the conglomerate to Lance and Rabina. Gokongwei died peacefully at Manila Doctors Hospital on the 9th of November 2019, 11:41 p.m., at the age of 93, exactly 1 week after his death. His widow, Elizabeth Yu Gokongwei, died at the age of 85. DLSU and ADMU have named their premier undergraduate colleges after him for his significant contributions to the schools: the Gokongwei College of Engineering and the John Gokongwei School of Management JGSOM, respectively. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.